Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson's been in here, hanging out, bathing in there, in the hot springs. Also, somebody's wife who we all know.
Robert E. Lee's.
Robert E. Lee's wife came down here to hang out in the warm waters. Here at
Warm Springs.
Woo, look at that. Balance of a cat, man. We have arrived at our last destination for the evening.
Historic Warm Springs here in Virginia. And the likes of Thomas Jefferson made in here.
Mm-hmm.
Martha Washington.
What? All at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh.
That pretty spot.
The gentleman's bath. And the regular bath.
The Warm Springs pools in Virginia, once used by Shawnee tribes for healing and later becoming America's oldest European-sized structure in 1761, recently underwent a $4 million rehabilitation. Reopening in December 2022, the pools allow visitors to take the waters in the 988-degree mineral-rich water, much as Thomas Jefferson did centuries ago.